Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux tools in any Linux distros using Kotlin. So let me go to the browser and type Kotlin. The first link will be the GitHub link and clone it. You should clone using super user account.
Does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
As you can see, if you scroll down, the instructions are git clone and it should be copied to the user bin, and that is what I'm gonna do. Copy.
Autonomy is an illusion.
Redirect to the user bin and change the permission of Kotlin. Okay, sorry, chmod. Once it's done, you can type Kotlin. And you can see there has been warning which is you should not update using the Kali Linux repositories. So let me add the repositories first, and let me check the repositories which is for. You can see the Kali Linux has been added to my repository.
Does it matter,
So let's copy it first. You can see it's been HTTP, so let me change to HTTPS using Stacer, or you can change
Autonomy is an
illusion. So now update will be fast. Let me update. Okay, let's see. Let's update, go back and view the categories. If you type 0, it won't install because some tools has been removed by Kali Linux, so it will just get out of the operating system. So let me install everything one by one. So let me go to the sniffing and spoofing, and I don't need all of them, so I need burp suit, but I have the burp suit. Okay, I need zap proxy, so just ready to, and you can see it, it's been installing the zap proxy. As you can see, the zap proxy has been installed. So as you can see, zap proxy is running. So this is it, guys. You can install any Linux, Kali Linux tools in the distro using Catalan. So thanks for watching this video.